In this video, I will give an overview of how you can get started using Maqetta. Here I am showing Maqetta.org, the main website for the Maqetta open source project. As you can see by the big letters across the top, Maqetta is a visual authoring tool for creating HTML5 user interfaces. Maqetta is a browser application written in HTML that allows users to quickly sketch out user interfaces for both desktop and mobile devices. First off, let's explore the Maqetta.org website. The website provides various articles about the Maqetta open source project and the Maqetta visual authoring tool. I strongly recommend that people read the articles found on the overview menu. These articles are all short and give a high-level overview of Maqetta. The website also contains a series of more in-depth articles on various features, plus links to tutorials, the documentation set, news, information about the community, and an FAQ. In the middle of the screen, there's a snapshot of the Maqetta application. If you click on that image, a new browser window will open up showing you the Maqetta channel on YouTube, where the Maqetta team has posted some instructional videos. There are various options for running the Maqetta application, all of which are free, at least at the time this video was created. If you just want to try out the application just to see how it works, you can click on the big Give It a Try button. If you click on that button, you will get a temporary guest user account that will be destroyed after your session ends. If you want to do productive work, one option is to click on the Sign Up button to become a registered user at Maqetta.org. If you pursue this approach, you have to provide an email address and go through an email verification process. One primary advantage of signing up as a registered user is that you can use Maqetta's team features, particularly its web-based review and commenting feature where you can share and collect feedback on your creations from your colleagues. Finally, there is one more option for running the Maqetta application. You can click on the Downloads hyperlink, which will take you to a very small web page where you can download a recent zip file of a stable build. And you can run that zip file, unzip it onto either your local machine, so you can run Maqetta standalone single user, or install on a company server, where you can run with a shared version with your teammates. Now, to actually launch this application, I'm going to click on the Give It a Try button, and that's going to take me to this page which says that I will get a temporary user account, guest user account, which will be destroyed after my session ends. Then when I click on the Tryout button, I'll be taken to the Maqetta application, which you see here. The Maqetta application, as you see here, I have a guest user account. I'm welcome guest, with a long number there. That's my temporary guest ID. Then I've got my menus across the top, and I got my temporary workspace in the cloud with various sample files pre-set up. And at this point here, I can click on the New button to create my first HTML file. I click Create, and then I can start dragging and dropping widgets onto the page once my new page is created. So start off here by putting some containers on. I'll put on a tab container, and you can see that the tab container will bring up a pop-up menu that allows me to enter in the names of the tabs that I want to use. So I will call this like North, South, East, West, and then it automatically creates the 4 tabs for me. And then I can drag and drop primitive widgets to my heart's content, like a text box and a button. And then other videos will show how to use the user interface in more detail. And so this concludes my introductory video about how to get started with Maqetta.